Welcome to my channel, people. Brown Boss JA Tours. Now today we'll be doing a small tour through the square of Cambridge, St James. So as you can see, it's a Saturday and we have a number of vendors along the sidewalk selling their produce to passers-by. Alright, so this is a very historical town, Cambridge St James. We have some huge events that took place here in the past, like the famous 10 sound. So this little town here is a little gem in St James, the beacon of the area. Alright, so we'll be turning our attention to the railway station here in Cambridge St James. It was built back in 1894, about 129 years ago, and as you can see, it's still standing in a deplorable condition now. Alright, but this unique Georgian structure has withstood the time. Very historical place. As we all know, the railway corporation withdrew their services back in 1992. Alright, we have been hearing whispers that the train will run again from I was a little boy. Alright, but hopefully it can be done so that we can connect the western section of the island to the eastern section, travel from Montego Bay to Kingston. Alright, so this used to be a very busy area in the past. So Cambridge, St James. Thank you for watching.